go. Alright guys, it is John, Copter Boats. We are on Manta at SeaWorld. This is a flying coaster, B&M. God, back row, this thing sucks. Alright, we're going up. This is one of the craziest coasters in Florida. And wait till you see this roll coming up. Here we go. Holy shit. Ah, damn. Oh my god. Oh, no, 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 no. Holy crap. Oh, someone just lost their cell phone. Oh shit. Hope that wasn't mine. Round two. There we go. Oh! 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 Oop-de-loop. All right. That's Manta SeaWorld. Oh my God.